Want to convert any image to PDF in under 30 seconds using 2 free methods? Most people download paid software for no reason. Subscribe now and I will show you both ways. Open Microsoft Word on your computer. Click on the Insert tab at the top. Then click on Pictures and select the image you want to convert from your computer. Resize the image according to your needs by dragging the corners. Make sure it fits the page properly. Click on File, then Save As. Choose a folder on your computer where you want to save the file. In the File Type drop-down, select PDF. Click Save and boom, it is done. Method 2 is using Google Docs. Open Google Docs in your web browser. Click on Insert, then Image, and upload the image you want to convert from your computer. Resize the image according to your needs by clicking and dragging the edges. Adjust it until it looks right on the page. Click on File, then Download, and select PDF document. The PDF will automatically save to your computer. Boom, it works perfectly. Now you know 2 free ways to convert an image to PDF without any paid software. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and comment PDF below so I know this helped you. In my next video, I will show you how to combine multiple images into one PDF in under 1 minute.
Subscribe now.